Have you ever wanted to time a Node.js program? Well, you can with this feature called console.time. Let's make a little timer, and let's make a little program. Hi. And this. And then let's do console.time end. So this program took about 5 seconds. About 5 seconds. Or no, 5 milliseconds, sorry. It's wrong. Okay. Let's do a simple for loop. 0 I is less than, and let's make a little array. This array will just sort through. Actually, I want to make a big array right up front. And then does this make an array length 100? No, it doesn't. An iterable array object converts to an array. I don't know. Okay. Let's just copy and paste this. I forgot exactly how to fill an array from actual text, but okay. Length plus. So let's see how long this for loop takes. 7 milliseconds. Okay. That looks nice. Now let's do it another way. So for roots, and then I think we might have to put a let declaration right here. Let's just see if it works. Fruit, single fruit. About the same. 9 seconds, 10 seconds, 6. Let's check this one again. 8, 8, 7, 9, 7, 11, 7, 8. Oh, let's save. 7, 8, 7, 7. 8, 8, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 11. They look about the same. They look about the same. Okay. So, with this feature, console.time, you can use it to optimize your program. You know, we just discovered that these are basically the same speed. However, this one is much more readable. You know, so if they're the same speed, but this one's more readable, why would you not use this form? And you know, I'm guilty of writing it like this, but I mean, unless you have a massive list where every millisecond counts, you don't need the speed, you know? Why go for the readability? And I think I talked about this in my readability video, but you know, this console.time, and how it works is you have to come up with a or I guess label, then end the label after running some code. But yeah, I mean, you could use it to, you know, properly optimize your programs. Because one of the most key things in optimization is, you know, are you actually getting faster? Like, you can make a change, like, for example, you could go from this statement to this statement, thinking you're optimizing, but really it's basically the same speed, you know? So it kind of goes to show, if you're going to optimize something, you have to actually make sure it's doing its job and actually speeding up the program, or else you're just wasting your time. You know, why have this form when you can have this one? Anyways, let's do another optimization, I guess. Or let's do a little sum. Zero. Let I equals 0. I is less than. Let's do 1,000. No, let's do 2,000. Plus sum plus equals I. Console dot sum. Oh, we want not I. Six milliseconds. Okay. Let's do 100. Start out with 1. Equals. Now, this optimization technique is not even really a programming one. Let me make sure I'm recording. Okay. It's not even really a programming one. It's more of a math optimization technique, right? And I don't remember the exact name, but it's, if you're going to sum a consistent sequence of numbers, you can use this technique, right? For example, if you're going to sum numbers like this, you can use this formula. I think it was the number of elements in the list times the biggest element in the list. So 100 minus the smallest element, or no, plus, it would be plus, then half. Oh, okay, I remember it. So let me say that in a different way. Instead of summarizing or adding these numbers up, adding these numbers up like this, you can actually just notice a pattern, right? Let me change this to addition. So we notice 10 plus 1 is 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. 7 and 4, 11. 5 and 6, 11. So 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elements, okay. So it's half the total number of the elements times the biggest element plus the smallest element. Okay. So instead of summing them up with a for loop, we can just take the starting element. I guess I should declare it. Doesn't really matter. Ending is 100. Then we get sum equals 1/2. 100 plus 1 times, and since we're starting at 1, no, well, ending plus 1 starting. So then there's 100 elements, counting the first one, and this should return 550. Save. Type 2 isn't a function. 550. Let's go 1,000. That looks right. Let's go 2,000. I think earlier it was like... Let's see. Oh, it's different. Oh, okay. I got ahead of myself. Okay. So yeah, you know, you can do optimizations where it's just like completely changes the code. And you know, that's not even like JavaScript knowledge. That's more just like maths. Like this specifically is just math. But yeah, you know, you can use console.timer to... And let's see if it really even made a difference. 6. Would you look at that? It wasn't even faster. So yeah, this console.time end and time. It's a pretty useful function to actually measure if your program's getting faster or not. I mean, I wouldn't use it for everything, but only if you really need to have speed. Yeah. So, yeah. Like if you want, sub if you want. Boom.